Hello students, welcome to my channel Hans Commerce Tutorial for the lectures on commerce, accounts, finance and management. My suggestion to you, before watching the video, please go to the description below my video. You'll find a link there. Take a printout of the problems given in the link and keep it ready before watching the video so that you can be able to understand the problem, the solution and the explanation to get the maximum benefit from the lectures. Thank you. Come on students, now we'll start the next problem, that is problem number 19. So far we have completed 18 problems. See the 19th problem. Already you have seen how to calculate the arithmetic mean for individual series, for discrete series and for continuous series. Now see the 19th problem. Compute the weighted arithmetic mean of the index numbers from the data given below. So first time we are applying the formula for weighted arithmetic mean. So two types of arithmetic means are there: simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. In weighted arithmetic mean, simply we multiply the values with the weights. We find the product of the weight. Because all the items for which we are calculating the arithmetic mean will not be of equal importance. जितने values का हम arithmetic mean मालूम कर रहे हैं वो पूरों का importance equal नहीं है. कुछ more important है, कुछ less important है. तो we can be able to assign the weights to each and every variable. So here the groups are given: food, clothing, fuel and light, house rent and miscellaneous. So 5 items are given, 5 variables. Index numbers are given 125, 133, 141, 173, 182. And weights are given: for food 7 weight, for clothing 5, for fuel and light 4, for house rent 1 and for miscellaneous 3. These are the weights assigned to each of the variable, right? So what we have to calculate here? Weighted arithmetic mean. See the problem. Calculation of weighted arithmetic mean. Groups I have taken. Then index number given in the problem for each of the group variable. Then weights are given in the problem. We are finding out the product of the index number and weight. The index number and weight, ये दोनों को multiply करके product मालूम करेंगे. तो 125 into 7, 875. 133 into 5, 141 into 4. Like this we have calculated XW. This is X, this is W. Take the total of XW 2823. And the total of the weights are 20. So weighted arithmetic mean, the formula is summation XW divided by summation W. And a product of weight and variables को divide करेंगे sum of the weights. So 2823 divided by 20, 141.15. This is a weighted arithmetic mean. Now see the 20th problem. Problem number 20. Calculate simple and weighted arithmetic averages from the following data: designation class 1 officers, class 2 officers, subordinate staff, clerical staff, lower staff. Just like the previous problem, we have 5 variables given. Monthly salary. जैसा previous problem में index number दिया था, here it is given monthly salary. Then strength of the cadre. The strength of the cadre, here we can take it as weights. So here 10, 20, 70 like that. So we are required to calculate simple average as well as weighted average for this problem. Second, calculation of simple and weighted average. Designations as it is, monthly salary as it is given in the problem. Take the total summation X is equal to 3150 and N, number of variables are 5. Then send the strength of the cadre W, 10, 12, 10, 20, 70, 100, 150. Total of W is 350. Now multiply X into W. So 1500 into 10, 15,000. 800 into 20, 16,000. Like that you multiply. Take the total summation X W, 1,06,000. So we got the total number of items are 5. Summation X 3,150. Summation W 350 and summation XW 1,06,000. Now two averages we have to calculate: simple average and weighted average. So simple arithmetic mean, the formula as usual, summation X by N. Individual series का formula. Summation X by N. So 3150 divided by 5, you will get 630 is the simple arithmetic mean. Now weighted arithmetic mean. Summation XW divided by summation W. XW is 1,06,000 and summation W is 350. So 1,06,000 by 350, 302.86. This is simple arithmetic mean and this is the weighted arithmetic mean. That's it. Now come to the problem number 21. See the 21st problem. An investor buys 1200 rupees 1200 worth of shares in a company in each month. हर महीने में 1200 रुपये के शेयर्स खरीद रहा है ये इन्वेस्टर एवरी मंथ. During the first 4 months, he bought the shares at the price of 10 rupees. First month में 10 rupees per share bought किया. Second month में 12 rupees per share he has bought. Third month 15 rupees per share and the fourth month 24 rupees per share. After 4 months, what is the average price paid for the share by him? अब 4 महीने के बाद उसको एवरेज प्राइस पर शेयर कितना पड़ा? How much is the average price per share after 4 months? तो every month he is purchasing 1200 rupees worth of shares और एक एक शेयर का प्राइस चेंज हो रहा. फर्स्ट मंथ में 10 रुपीज है, then 12 rupees है, then 15 rupees, then 24 rupees. So see here, calculation of number of shares bought. तो पहले ये देखेंगे कि कितने शेयर्स परचेस किया है. How many shares he has purchased? तो मंथ, फर्स्ट मंथ, सेकेंड मंथ, थर्ड मंथ, फोर्थ मंथ. फर्स्ट मंथ प्राइस पर शेयर, फर्स्ट मंथ 10 रुपीज, सेकेंड 12, थर्ड 15, फोर्थ 24. एंड टोटल कॉस्ट कितने के शेयर्स खरीदा? हाउ मच वर्थ ऑफ शेयर्स ही इज बाइंग? एवरी मंथ ही इज इन्वेस्टिंग 1200 रुपीज. 1200 रुपये खर्चा कर रहा एवरी मंथ, इन्वेस्ट कर रहा. तो नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स बॉट. अब ये 1200 रुपये में कितने शेयर्स आएंगे? हाउ मेनी शेयर्स he can purchase in 1200 rupees. तो प्राइस पर शेयर 10 rupees. तो 1200 divided by 10, 120 shares. फर्स्ट मंथ में वो 120 शेयर्स खरीदा, एक शेयर 10 रुपीस का है. तो 120 into 10, 1200. तो 1200 में 120 शेयर आएंगे. फर्स्ट मंथ he has purchased. सेकेंड मंथ 12 रुपीस पर शेयर he has purchased 1200 रुपीस. 1200 रुपए के शेयर खरीदा, एक शेयर 12 रुपए में. For each share, 12 rupees he has paid. So how many shares he has purchased? 1200 divided by 12, 100 shares. तो पहले महीने में 120 shares खरीदा और second month he has purchased 100 shares. Third month the price is 15. तीसरे महीने में प्राइस 15 रुपये हो गया. तो फिर 1200 रुपये के शेयर्स खरीद रहा हूं. 1200 divided by 15, 80 shares he got. Fourth month the price per share 24. He has purchased for 1200 shares, 1200 rupees shares. तो 1200 rupees divided by 24, 50 shares. तो first month he purchased 120 shares, second month he purchased 100 shares, third month he purchased 80 shares, fourth month he purchased 50 shares. Total number of shares he has purchased in 4 months, 350. 120 plus 100 plus 80 plus 50. 350 shares he has purchased during the period of 4 months. And how much amount he has invested totally? 4,800. Every month 1200 rupees he is investing. In 4 months total investment are 4,800. अब 4,800 रुपये में उसको टोटल नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स कितने मिले हैं? 350. तो what is the average price per share? Hence average price per share paid in the last 4 months are 4,800 rupees divided by 350 shares. We got 13.71. तो average price per share we got 13 rupees 71 paise. That's it. Now see the 22nd problem. Following are the marks given, the marks obtained and weights assigned to the subjects of student. Calculate weighted arithmetic mean just like the previous problem. Subject English, Telugu, economics, statistics, accounts. Marks he has scored 65, 70, 60, 50, 55. Weights are given 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to calculate weighted arithmetic mean. Multiply कर लेंगे. The marks is multiplied with the weights. We get XW. So weighted arithmetic mean formula is summation XW divided by summation W. See here. Calculation of weighted arithmetic mean subject English, Telugu, economics, statistics, accounts. Marks are given 65, 70, 60, 50, 55. Weights are given in the problem 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now XW. Multiply X with W. 65 into 1, 65, 70 into 1, 70, 60 into 2, 120, 53, 150, 55 into 4, 220. The total of XW is 625. Summation XW 625. divided by summation W 11. 625 divided by 11, you will get 56.82. This is the weighted arithmetic mean. So students, we have completed 22 problems. Hope you got a good command on the calculative part of arithmetic mean. Come on students, now we'll start problem number 23. See, 23rd problem, see carefully. Calculate the average daily wages for the workers of two factories. So we are given two groups, factory A, factory B. Number of wage earners in factory A 350, factory B 300. Simply number of workers. Number of workers A factory में 350 है, B factory में 300 है. And average daily wage 2 rupees in A factory, 2 rupees 50 paisa in B factory. Now see here, this is the first problem where we are given two groups and we want to combine the groups and calculate the average. The technique is called combined arithmetic mean. Combined mean. So combined mean will be applied whenever we are given two groups or more than two groups. When two groups are given or more than two groups are given, we can combine it and calculate the combined arithmetic mean. Right? So the formula for combined arithmetic mean, combined mean is x bar 1 2. Two groups are there, that's why I am writing 1 2. अगर 3 groups रहते तो x bar 1 2 3, right? Then अगर दो ही groups है, 2 groups अगर है तो x bar 1 2. This is the symbol for combined mean. X bar 1 2 is the symbol for combined mean of two groups. N1 x bar 1 plus N2 x bar 2 divided by N1 plus N2. अगर 3 groups रहते तो one more item will extend. N1 x bar 1 plus N2 x bar 2 plus N3 x bar 3 divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. अगर 3 groups रहते तो 2 groups है तो ये form. So this formula of combined mean will be applied whenever we are given 2 or more than 2 groups. अब हमारे problem में, this is the first problem where we are given two factories. A factory is one group, B factory is another group. We are given the number of workers in A factory, number of workers in B factory. We are given the average wages of workers of A factory and average wages of workers of B factory. And we want to calculate what is the combined mean of all the workers. Of all the workers means A factory worker as well as B factory worker. Now N1. N1 stands for number of items in the first group. Here number of workers hai. So how many workers are there in the first group? 350. N1. N2 number of workers in the second group. 300. X bar 1. This is the mean of the first group. Average wages of factory A. So average wages of factory A 2 rupees. Then X bar 2. Average wages of factory B 2 rupees 50 paisa. So number of workers are given and average wage is given for each of the factories. Average daily wages for the workers of the two factories, that is combined mean. अब दोनों factories को combine करके उसका average wage मालूम करेंगे तो x bar 1 2 का formula N1 x bar 1 plus N2 x bar 2 divided by N1 plus N2. Now we substitute the values. N1, how much is N1 here? 350. X bar 1 2 rupees. Then N2 300. X bar 2 2.5 divided by N1 plus N2 350 plus 300. Now 350 into 2 is 700, 300 into 2.5 is 750 divided by 350 plus 300 650. अब न्यूमरेटर को दोनों को ऐड करो 1450 by 650 2.23. तो x bar 1 2 is 2.23. This is the average wages of all the workers taken together. That is factory A worker, factory B worker. दोनों फैक्ट्रीज के वर्कर को कंबाइंड करके उसका कंबाइंड मीन मालूम करें तो 2.23. So this is the first problem where we have applied combined mean. So in theory, in examination theory question may be asked, what do you mean by combined mean? Combined mean will be applied whenever we have to find out the mean of two or more than two groups. Next, 24th problem. See the 24th one. There are two branches of a company employing 180% respectively. तो दो ग्रुप्स है यहाँ पर सेम. So two branches are there. In the first branch we have 100 employees, second branch we have 80 employees. If the arithmetic mean of the monthly salary paid by the two branches are 275 and 225, this is the monthly average salary of A branch and B branch. Find the arithmetic mean of the salaries of employees of the company as a whole. यानी पूरी कंपनी में दो फैक्ट्रीज है. In the whole company we have two factories. Two branches, sorry. Two branches are there. So we are given the number of employees in first branch, number of employees in the second branch. Average salary of employees of first branch and average salary of employees of second branch. And we want to find out what is the combined average salary of all the employees working in A factory as well as B factory, A branch and B branch. So first we write down the data. N1, number of employees in first branch, 100. N2, number of employees in second branch, 80. X bar 1, average salary of employees of first branch, 275. X bar 2, average salary of employees of second branch, 225. The arithmetic mean of the salaries of employees of the company as a whole, that is combined mean, is X bar 1 to N1 X bar 1 plus N2 X bar 2 divided by same formula. N1 की जगह पर 100 है और X bar 1 275, N2 is 80, X bar 2 is 225, N1 plus N2 100 plus 80. Now multiply 100 into 275, 27,500, 80 into 225, 18,000, divided by 180. So 252.78. This is the average salary of all the employees combined together of the two branches. Average salary of all employees of the company as a whole is 252.78. These two problems are exactly similar. Now 25th problem. See the problem number 25. The mean weight of 150 students of BCom class is 60 kilogram. BCom class में total number of students 150 students है और पूरे 150 students का average mean weight is 60 kilogram. The mean weight of boys is 70 kilogram and that of girls is 55 kilogram. We have two groups, boys group and girls group. और दोनों को मिला लिए तो 150 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. अब इसमें 150 में कितने बॉयज है कितने गर्ल्स है वी डोंट नो, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो द मीन वेट ऑफ 70 किलोग्राम बॉयज, जो बॉयज है वो लोगों का एवरेज वेट मीन वेट 70 किलोग्राम और गर्ल्स का एवरेज वेट 55 किलोग्राम्स. तो वी आर गिवन एक्स बार. सपोज हम करेंगे n1 नंबर ऑफ बॉयज, n2 नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स. तो बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स कंबाइंड टुगेदर कंस्टिट्यूट 150 स्टूडेंट्स, right? X bar 1, average weight of boys 70 kilogram. X bar 2, average weight of girls 55 kilogram. And we are also given the combined mean. Combined mean का मतलब average weight of all the students, boys as well as girls. सबको मिलाकर 150 स्टूडेंट है और 150 स्टूडेंट्स का एवरेज वेट आ गया, प्रॉब्लम में दे दिया 60 किलोग्राम. ये कंबाइंड मीन है. Find the number of boys and number of girls. Ultimately, we have to find out N1 and N2. Boys plus girls is equal to 150. Given in the problem, N1 number of boys, N2 number of girls. So N1 plus N2 is equal to 150. Make it as equation 1. For our calculations purpose, make it as equation 1. N1 plus N2, boys or girls मिलाकर 150 है. The combined weight of all boys and girls is 60 kilogram. That is X bar 1, 2 is 60 kilogram. Combined weight of all boys and girls. X bar 1 mean weight of boys 70, X bar 2 mean weight of girls 55. Now N1 is equal to how much? N2 is equal to how much? How many are boys? How many are girls? That is the problem. अब combined mean का formula apply करेंगे. Combined mean X bar 1 2 is equal to N1 X bar 1 plus N2 X bar 2 divided by N1 plus N2. X bar 1 2 is given in the problem 60 kilogram. N1 we don't have. लेकिन X bar 1 है ना? X bar 1 70 है तो 70 N1. उसी तरह N2 we don't have, but X bar 2 we have 55. 55 N2. Divide by N1 plus N2, already we are given 150. दोनों boys और girls को मिलाकर 150 है. Now we'll make a cross multiplication. Numerator को denominator से numerator multiply करेंगे. तो 70 N1 plus 55 N2 into 1. We'll get the same thing. 70 N1 plus 55 N2 is equal to 60 into 150. You will get 9,000. Make it as equation 2. So we have two equations. Pahla equation, first one, N1 plus N2 is equal to 150. Make it as equation 1. Keep it separately. Then we have solved this. We got 70n1 plus 55n2 is equal to 9000. Make it as equation 2. Solving the two equations. अब simultaneous equation method से we will solve the two equations. n1 plus n2 is equal to 150 and 70n1 plus 55n2 is equal to 9000. अब ये दोनों equation को solve करके हमको मालूम करना है n1 is equal to how much and n2 is equal to how much. Now see carefully. यहाँ पर coefficient of n1 is 1 whereas coefficient of n1 is 70. We can cancel n1 when both the variables will have the same coefficient. दोनों variables का coefficient अगर same है तो cancel कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर coefficient 1 है और यहाँ पर coefficient 70 है तो cancel नहीं होता. तो हम क्या करेंगे? First equation को multiply by 70. The first equation will be multiplied by 70. Multiplying equation 1 by 70. ये पूरे equation को 70 से multiply करें तो 70n1 plus 70n2 plus 70 into 150. That comes to 10,500. So it will become 70n1 plus 70n2 is equal to 10,500. Multiply 70. Then second equation as it is 70x1 plus 55n2 is equal to 9,000. Now change the sign. Plus को minus बना देंगे, plus को minus बना देंगे, plus को minus बना देंगे. तो automatically 70n1 minus 70n1 will get cancelled. Plus 70n1 minus 70n1 will get cancelled. So 70n2 minus 55n2 you will get 15n2. 70 में से 55 minus कर दो, 15 बचा, 15n2 is equal to 10,500 minus 9,000, 1500. Now n2 is equal to 1500 divided by 15. या multiply है, इधर आकर divide हो जाएगा. तो 1500 divided by 15 you will get 100. So one value we got n2 is equal to 100. What is n2? Number of girls. Number of girls. ये आ गया n2 is equal to 100. तो 150 students में से 100 students are girl students. तो automatically 50 students are boys. Understood? Now substituting the value of n2 in equation 1. अब equation 1 क्या है? n1 plus n2 is equal to 150 है. Substitute करेंगे n2 का value 100. तो in place of n2 I am writing 100. तो n1 plus 100 is equal to 150. Take this 100 to RHS. 150 minus 100 is 50. So n1 is equal to 50. Therefore, number of boys 50, number of girls 100. That's it. So this is the end of problem number 25. Now we'll come to 26th problem. The average salary of male employees in a firm was 5,200 and that of females was 4,200. Again two groups, male employees and female employees. So average salary of male x bar 1 is 5,200 and average salary of female x bar 2 4,200. The average salary of all employees was 5,000. All employees means combined, all employees, male employees as well as female. तो पूरों को मिलाकर अगर average salary मालूम करेंगे, combined mean मालूम करेंगे तो we got, it is given in the problem 5,000. Find out percentage of male and female employees. What is the percentage of male and what is the percentage of female employees in the whole organization? That's what we have to calculate. X bar 1 is equal to average salary of male 5,200. X bar 2 average salary of female 4,200. X bar 1 2 average salary of all employees 5,000. पूरे employees को मिलाकर combined mean 5,000. Percentage of male and female employees how much? तो पूरे organization में कितने percentage male है, कितना percentage female employees? That's what we have to calculate. Let number of n1 is equal to number of males, n2 is equal to number of females. n1 males है और n2 females. Suppose करें. Now we substitute the data in the formula. X bar 1 2 is equal to n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. Now substitute the values. X bar 1 2 is given in the problem 5,000. n1 x bar 1. n1 we don't have, but x bar 1 we have 5,200. x bar 1 है हमारे पास 5,200. तो 5,200 n1 plus n2 we don't have, but x bar 2 we have 4,200. तो 4,200 n2 divided by n1 plus n2. The only missing figures are n1 and n2. ये दोनों भी missing है, right? Now cross multiply. अब देखिए ये न्यूमरेटर को ये डिनोमिनेटर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो सेम आएगा, तो ये न्यूमरेटर क्या है 5200 n1 प्लस 4200 n2, 5200 n1 प्लस 4000 इज इक्वल टू, ये 5000 से डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5000 इंटू n1 प्लस n2, ये ब्रैकेट में ले लिया, ब्रैकेट को ओपन करना है। नाउ LHS 5200 n1 plus 4200 n2 as it is. Now open the bracket with 5000. So 5000 into n1 is 5000 n1, 5000 into n2 is 5000 n2. अब देखिए n1 and n2 is there on LHS as well as RHS. तो अब क्या काम करेंगे, दोनों n1 को LHS पर ला लेंगे और दोनों n2 को RHS पर रख लेंगे, राइट? सो हियर LHS पर 5200 n1 है, 5200 n1 और RHS पे देखिए 5000 n1 है, तो ब्रिंग दिस 5000 n1 टू LHS, तो ये प्लस इधर आकर माइनस 5000 n1, दोनों n1 हो गया, both the n1s are on the LHS. Now right hand side RHS पर 5000 n2 keep it as it is और LHS पर n2 कितना है 4200 n2 है, take this 4200 n2 to RHS minus 4200. Now LHS पर n1 हो गया और RHS पर n2 हो गया. Now 5200 minus 5000 is 200 n1 is equal to 5000 minus 4200 is 800 n2. So simply we got the equation 200 n1 is equal to 800 n2 और n1 divided by n2, ये n1 को रखकर ये n2 को LHS पर ला लिए तो मल्टीप्लाई जाकर डिवाइड हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई जाकर डिवाइड n1 by n2 is equal to 800 as it is RHS पर रखकर ये 200 रुपीस को RHS पर ले, 200 को RHS पर ले, तो यहां पर डिवाइड हो जाएगा, तो n1 800 n2 200, इसका मतलब 1000 एम्प्लॉइज है तो 1000 एम्प्लॉइज में से 800 एम्प्लॉइज आर मेल एम्प्लॉइज and 200 employees are female employees. In percentage terms, it comes to 80% male and 20% female. That's it. This is the end of problem number 26.